In this video, we are going to analyze crude oil step by step. First, we will check the daily chart to understand the overall trend and momentum. Then we will move to the 4-hour chart to see whether the recent trend change is strong enough to support a bullish view. Finally, we will identify the key support and resistance zones that could be important for the next move. Let's get started. This is the crude oil daily Heikin Ashi chart. I am using daily Heikin Ashi candles here because they make the overall trend easier to identify by reducing some of the short-term price noise. The red line is the 200 EMA and the yellow line is the 50 EMA. We can see that the 50 EMA is currently above the 200 EMA, which supports a bullish momentum environment. But when we look at the actual price structure, we get a different picture. Price is continuously making lower highs and lower lows while oil prices are moving lower. This means the daily market structure is bearish. So on the daily chart, market structure is bearish but momentum is bullish. Because momentum and market structure are giving us conflicting signals, my overall view on the daily time frame is neutral. Now let's move to the 4-hour Heikin Ashi chart. Once again, the 50 EMA is above the 200 EMA, supporting bullish momentum. But the more important development is the change in market structure. We can see that price broke above the previous bearish swing high and the Heikin Ashi candle closed above that swing high. This is an important signal because it suggests a potential change in trend. After the breakout, price started forming higher highs and higher lows, creating a bullish market structure. So now on the 4-hour chart, we have market structure is bullish and momentum is bullish too. Both are aligned, which makes my overall 4-hour view is bullish. Now let's identify the important support and resistance zones. I have marked areas where price previously reacted and was rejected multiple times. These zones can become important if price makes another move towards them. The nearest 4-hour support zone is 78.51 level to 80.70 level and the nearest resistance is 86.58 level to 88.63 level. So the current picture is quite interesting. The daily time frame is neutral because market structure is bearish while momentum is bullish, but the 4-hour time frame is bullish with both market structure and momentum supporting the upside. Now we will watch how price behaves around these key support and resistance zones and see whether the bullish structure continues or the market gives us another trend change. Let's see how the market develops.